Hello, my friends. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 408th episode and the 13th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2020. Today, I'm going to share with all of you some homemade apple butter. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, full of apple flavor, and we're going to cook it in the crock pot. Everybody's going to fall in love with this recipe. Great to serve for breakfast or brunch. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my apple recipes playlist and my previous video, pumpkin spice snickerdoodles. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your apples, your spices, and turn on your crock pot sugar because we're about to make some apple butter magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the apples. Over here I have 16. I'm using 8 Granny Smith and 8 Galas, or you can use any apples that you prefer. And I washed them. Now we're going to peel them, core them, and dice them. Alright, I got all my apples together and I put them in my large bowl. And I forgot to mention I'm using the small apples. Now we're ready to put them in the crock pot. I'm using the Crockpot liners for easy cleanup. So now we're going to pour the apples in here. And you can cook your apples on high for 3 hours or low for 6 hours. I'm going to cook mine on low. So now we're going to cover it. Turn it on low. And let it slow cook for 6 hours. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, this is what the apples look like after they've been cooking for 6 hours. Nice and soft. I love the smell of apples cooking. Alright. That looks great. Now we're going to mash the apples. Going to be like the consistency of applesauce. Now it's time to sweeten the apples. We're going to add in a 1/4 cup each of white and packed light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1½ teaspoons of my homemade apple pie spice. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. And stir these in until it's well incorporated. And make sure you taste it to see if it needs any more sugar. Depends on how sweet the apples are. Alright, I tasted the apples and they're nice and sweet. So now we're going to cover it and continue cooking for 2 to 3 hours on low. Alright, my friends, this is what the apple butter looked like after 3 hours. Gonna give it a quick stir. Alright, so now we're going to cover it a little bit. So the steam can escape. And we're going to let it finish cooking for 2 to 3 hours until it's thickened. Ready for the grand finale? Here we go. Oh yeah. Beautiful apple butter. Nice and thick. Smells good. All right, this, how you can tell it's done. You grab a spoon and you see it doesn't fall off the spoon. That's what you're looking for. Perfect apple butter. Now there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. A half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And stir this in. All right, I cut my crock pot off. As soon as I get my apple butter together, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it, homemade apple butter. And I poured it into my mason jar. These would make great gifts. You can give them to your loved ones, and the holidays coming up too. So this would be perfect. You can spread it on toast, bagels, biscuits, pancakes, waffles, whatever your heart desires. It's going to be amazing. All right, so now I got some toast in the oven, and as soon as it gets through cooking, I'll bring you back and we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my toast. So now we're going to spread the apple butter right on top. Like so. OMG, that looks so good. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Mmm. It's nice and creamy. I love that sweet and tart combination. Ain't nothing like apple butter. This is magnificent, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Perfect for the fall season. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Apple butter-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and stay safe.